2022 Ford Expedition Max. With less than 67,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, leather seats. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.